UTP cable, ruler, wire stripper, RJ45, crimping tool. Let's start. Measure the cable about 1 inch using ruler. Then cut it using stripper. Be careful to cut it because it might damage the pin inside the cable. Pull the outer jacket of the cable. After that, as you can see, there's a white screen. Then remove it or cut it using wire stripper or scissor.
First, untwist the twisted pair of wires.
Arrange it using the pattern of T568A pinouts. White green, green, white orange, blue, white blue, orange, white brown, and brown. While you are arranging it, hold it tighten and straight your wires. Don't remove your 2 fingers to the wire because it may disarrange it again. Stretch the 8 wires up and down to assure it is truly straight. Measure your 8 wires in your thumb fingers and cut it by crimping tool. You need to be careful because it may slice your finger. Steer the cables properly while you hold them, and while you need to slowly insert them into the RJ45 connector in the proper sequence. Please be careful. Don't lose the cable order when inserting cable. After insertion, you have to ensure that cables are inserted with correct order. Before you crimp the RJ45, you need to be assured visually check that the pins in the connector is fully seated. Insert to the crimping tool and press. We hold the RJ45 connector and the cable carefully and place it in the RJ45 connector tightening area of the crimping tool. The RJ45 connector from the crimping tool. We just need to press it and loose it. Tighten the crimping tool to ensure that the pins on the connector are jammed and the cable strand is beaten by them. We repeat the same process from the other end. If crossover is to be made, we must remember that the other end must be screwed in the accordance with T568 standard. Arrange the another end using T568B standard or pinouts. White orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, and brown.
You have already finished. Test your crossover cable using a line tester.